Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin, and I'm about to demonstrate my email strategy using my lead gen success. Now, I'm doing this for my downline. This is purely for my downline. If you want to learn more about my lead gen success and get sort of open rates like this and click-through rates, I have to tell you that this has made me around $300 in just a few days for a price of $30. You can actually email for $1 a day. So if you want to learn more about it, click on the link directly below this video. Okay, so the rest of this will be a training for my downline. Hello, lead geners. Now, I'd like to show you what I'm going to be doing today. In fact, what I'm going to be doing for a few weeks. I'm going to test it out. Today's the 4th, and as you can see, I've just had my new emails arrive. Now, what I'm going to do is not mail them. I'm going to wait till this time tomorrow and mail the 4th and the 5th with the opportunity emails. You can find them in the membership. So I'm going to select all, but then I'm going to deselect the 4th. Okay, so there we are. I've got 1,200 to send out. There they are. And I'm going to send them from me. And I've already got an email prepared. You'll find this in the membership, or one very similar to it. So here's the headline. What am I doing? Not going into Loom. There we are. So I'm going to come in here and put the subject in here. Now, I'm going to be testing these headlines more than the body copy of the email. So the headline is what's going to get them open. I'm very much considering putting something like this up front. Oops. My lead gen success. I'll test this a bit later on because this will show people, as they get used to me, I'll probably start putting this in there. Anyway, this could soon be you. Don't worry, I'm not going to read you the whole email. So now I'm going to copy the rest of this. Okay, there we are. Now, what I am going to test as we go forward is the width of the email. I'm going to be looking at this shortly. We might be putting it in a table and putting it 600 width, something like that. And also, I'm going to be testing using open links such as this against ones which are hyperlinked. So little things like that can make a really big difference. Right now, I'm just going to check this over. I'm going to use perfect timing. Remember, perfect timing, if you use perfect timing, it's going to send your emails out at the time the recipients subscribe for them. So they're likely to be online again at that time. There's a far more likely chance of getting a much higher open rate. So let's just preview it. Now, I found that small, short emails work really well. But what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to get into them, into what I'm doing, following what I'm doing. So they'll get another one of these the day after tomorrow, which we upgraded. But today, this is the one I've just written. Well, I wrote it yesterday, and it tells them a bit about my life, and it should build their interest up because I don't work too hard, believe me. I'm sitting here today. Ooh, his sun's come out. Sorry, I should have shut the window behind. I usually do when I'm making videos, but it was dull a little while ago. Now the sun's come out. So this is telling them how I'm off to Spain in a couple of days' time. I'm going to have a holiday. Usually we go to the Philippines for the winter, but unfortunately our new house is not going to be ready till next springtime. So I'm not a happy bunny at all. So I'm thinking of going to, well, I'm definitely going to Spain in a few days, and I'll probably go to Egypt for maybe 3 weeks in January, early February, something like that, and then probably away again. I like to have my holiday. Anyway, it tells them about me, and it tells them why I'm doing it, and then it gives them the link to my lead gen secret. So you get the idea. Look at this. You might want to send something out like this yourself. But it needs to be consistent. It needs to be building trust with them. It needs to be a story. So let's see if it works. Okay, I think I'm ready to send that. Yep, off we go. Just wait for it to come up here and tell me it's sent. Okay, so that'll do it anyway. This is about, there we are, your message being queued, and it's telling me I've got to wait nearly 24 hours before my next emailing. And the next emailing, I'll take the emails from the 4th and the ones I get tomorrow, and those will be new. They won't have received an email from me, and I'll use the opportunity email or a variation of it. But I'm testing that at the moment to see how it works. Lots of luck. If you've got any questions, ask them in the group.